In this video, I'm going to talk about the images that we ship with StampManage. In other words, the stock images. If you have the deluxe version, the latest count on images that ship with the program is around 275,000, and that number is going to be constantly increasing as we add new images. So to go to let me show you where the images are stored. So under File, if you've already installed the program and you're running the program, under File, go to StampManage Images folder. It's going to bring up a folder with a bunch of numbered subfolders. Each one of these numbered subfolders is a particular country. So for example, Canada is 346. Let me open Canada. These are all the stock images that ship with Canada. I can make this a little bit bigger, a few extra large images. So you can see all the images that ship with Canada. Now if you select File, go to StampManage Images folder and nothing comes up, that could mean that the folder that you installed the images to no longer exists. For example, let's say you installed it to an external hard drive and that external hard drive is no longer plugged into the computer. You're not going to see any images in the program. So that's actually a common problem with some of our users. If you would like to find out the number of a particular country, you can look at we have a PDF file which is actually generated from StampManage, and I'm going to put a link to it in the description box underneath this video. So as you can see, it shows all countries, and right next to the country is the integer or number value associated with that country. So Bangladesh should be 411, Barbados 414, etc., etc. Now if you want to see where the stock images are stored, what you can do is under the Tools menu, select Tools Preferences, and you'll see here the stock images directory. Now let's say I want to change this. Let's say I want to change it to, for example, let's say I haven't bought a new SSD external drive and it's located on E. I can change the folder location here, but I would have to manually copy all the images. So I'd have to manually copy all these numbered folders. Another thing I could do is just basically reinstall a program. So to reinstall a program, I'm going to run the file that was either downloaded or from the USB if I ordered the program on USB. And I'm going to launch the install program. And here it is right here. And so next. And once we get to the stock images screen, as you can see right here, what we can do is change this location to another location. But once we've done that and everything works out fine, you're gonna have to go in and delete the numbered folders from the old location at some point. In StampManage, you're allowed to change or add new stock images, and one way to do that is under the Tools menu, select Stamp Data Manager, and so I'm going to add a new image for Brazil Airpost stamps. So I go under Brazil, click on Airpost, click on Stamps Image tab, and I believe it's for C12 I have here on the clipboard. Okay, so I have a image for C12 that I've copied to the Windows clipboard. If I had it in file format, I could use the Browse button to browse for the image file. But since I already have it on my clipboard, I could just click on Paste, and it gets pasted in here. You can use the Straighten and Crop tool to get rid of any excess black space and to center the image better. And once I've done that, it is now associated with C12. Okay, well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.